everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Olivia. If you're new here, welcome. On today's video, I have some pretty exciting news. Now, I'm supposed to or should have posted this video like 4 hours ago, but I couldn't because I was really busy and I didn't like the original intro that I filmed. So now we're going with this intro. I'm not sitting down in this intro because I don't feel like dealing with my tripod, so we're using a selfie stick. I know. All right, and it's moving. On today's video, we have some exciting news because I got my shipment from Kylie Exotics on Instagram, aka Remarkable Reptiles here on YouTube. And that means that I got a new pet, well, actually 2 new pets. So if you'd like to stick around, you can watch that. I did do an unboxing and a cage setup for them in this video. I just got my package from Kylie Exotics and we're gonna be opening it up right now. Sorry for the bad angle, it's just my address is on top, so I don't want you guys coming to find me, you know. Yeah. So I did pause the video for a second, but I made a setup for them and it was with fake plants, but I didn't end up liking it and I wanted to do something more natural for them. So I ended up adding live plants and just some different substrates. So if you'd like to see that, continue watching. I just didn't want to waste your time. So we're just going to skip right to that footage. But today they're getting some carrots. So I'm going to be feeding some fish flakes, so I'm going to get those. So they now have carrots and fish flakes. I'm going to dust them with calcium. So that's what they get for the day. I filmed this video, the cage wasn't working very well, like the camera wasn't doing what it was supposed to, but this is their current setup. They have a salad in there for them. They did eat some already. And then I added a terracotta pot. This is an umbrella tree. We have a fake plant in the background. And I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If you did, give it a like. Subscribe to me. We're almost at 100 subscribers. And leave a positive comment just to spread the positivity. if you haven't already watched last week's video where I talked all about crested gecko care, so if you're looking into getting a crested gecko and want to know more about them, you can always go and check out that video. If you'd like, check out my Instagram where I post a lot more often and I'm a lot more active on there. It's Livslittlelovess and I'm almost at 500 followers and we have a giveaway going on now. So if you'd like to go enter that on my Instagram, you can go check it out. It'll be linked down below. That's it for this week, and if you'd like to, click the notification bell so you get notified every single time I post. I upload every Sunday, so I will see you next week.